Listen up, folks. Does your living room look like a furniture store throwing up in there? You've got the sofa, the coffee table, the TV cabinet, and a bunch of other junk crammed in there, right? It's like a game of Tetris trying to fit everything in there. But don't worry, Simp Home has got your back with some DIY ideas for living room organization. From creating extra storage to freshening up those boring walls, we've got you covered. So wear your attention cap, grab that notepad, and get to learning because it's time to turn that cluttered chaos into an organized oasis. And as always, Simp Home has your back with the list, and this time with random mild comedies to make it less irritating. A modern DIY wall shelving idea. What's with the expensive shelves, huh? You can practically hear them saying, "I'm too good for your cheap knickknacks, peasant." Well, not anymore. With these simple steps, you can make your own modern shelf without breaking the bank. Step 1. Cut these boards. 10 thin ones for the brackets, 2 large ones for the shelves. It's like playing Jenga, except you're cutting it up instead of pulling it down. Step 2. Build those brackets. Now 3 horizontal boards to 1 vertical board, then attach the second one to make an L shape. Do it again for the other bracket. Step 3. Spa day for the shelves. A little stain and a little paint and your shelves look like they just came back from a day at the salon. A cinder block shelving idea. Let's face it, we're not all Bob the Builder over here, but don't worry, I've got you covered with this cinder block shelf hack. All you need are some planks, crates, and cinder blocks. It's like building with Legos, but for adults. Just stack the cinder blocks, lay the planks on top, and add the crates for extra storage. It's like playing a giant game of Tetris with your stuff. And the best part, you can customize it to your heart's content. Need a spot for your stapler? No problem. Want to display your collection of cat figurines? Easy peasy. So skip the expensive store-bought shelves and build your own storage wonderland. You'll feel like a handyman in no time without all the pesky splinters and sore thumbs. The adjustable corner and slat rack shelving idea. Are your shoes plotting world domination while you sleep? Fear not, my friend. This DIY slat wall shoe rack is here to save the day. It's like building a puzzle without frustration, but with more shoes. Start by slapping some slats on the wall and creating gaps for your shelves. It's like love at first sight, but for your shoes and their new home. Rearrange your shelves to your heart's content and make them look like a Picasso painting with the slat's non-symmetric geometric pattern. It's like being a new shoe artist, but without all the recognition. Now you can have your own shoe museum without all the silly restrictions. It's like being a curator of your own footwear. So step into style and keep your shoes in line with this slat wall shoe rack. The hula hoop shelf, a stylish storage choice. Hey, have you ever thought of using hula hoops for storage? No, seriously, it's a thing. And let me tell you, a hula hoop shelf is the perfect combination of whimsy and practicality. First, grab 2 hula hoops. Yes, the ones you used to spin around your waist as a kid. Spray them with deep, rustic copper paint for some extra pizzazz. Next, cut 2 wooden boards to fit the length of the hoops and stain them to match. Once they're dry, attach the boards to the hoops. One is at 1/4 of the way down from the top and one is at 1/4 of the way up from the bottom. And to keep your shelf sturdy, glue 2 dowels at the bottom as stabilizers. See, who says storage can't be fun? How to build a new desk with dowel drawer slides. Listen up, DIYers, we've got a perfect project that will require some serious brain power. So put on your thinking caps. Okay, we're making a desk with some snazzy dowel drawer slides. Step 1, make the desktop. Step 2, build the base to fit the top. And when it comes to those desk legs, remember the half-circled cavities for the dowel slides. We're not playing desk Jenga here, people. Assemble everything, cut those dowels, and screw them into place. Don't let those drawers touch the legs and we'll have a meltdown. Make those half circles, cut out the front of the drawer holder, and screw in the tabletop. Lastly, paint that baby and impress all your genius friends. A futon-based project idea with drawers. Okay, it's time to talk futons. One that is comfy and one that has enough space to store your stuff. So we're going to build a custom futon base with drawers. First, get your cutting skills on point. Then assemble the base by joining the legs with rails. Add some filler and cover the sides with plywood. Now, join the two sides. Strengthen the base with supports, add the drawer slides, and throw in some drawers with fancy hardware. Just like that, you can lower your futon and stuff it with all your junk. It's like having a secret hideout, but instead of saving the world, you're just binge-watching Netflix. So go ahead, kick back and relax on your new futon base. And don't worry, your secret's safe with me. A custom drop zone project from Prefab Cabinet. Are you tired of tripping over clutter in your drop zone? Well, it's time to get your DIY gloves on and build a bench with custom cabinets. First, mark the spot on the wall. No need for a GPS, folks. Then, run some wiring for the LED bench and overhead light. We're not in the dark ages anymore. Next, let's get building. Build the base and rear supports. Stack the cabinets like a game of Tetris and attach them to the supports. It's like a puzzle for adults. Add some shelves, trim, and shoe molding. Cinderella would be proud. Then cover the seating background with reclaimed wood and paint it to your heart's content. Boom! You now have a drop zone that's so organized you'll be dropping your metaphorical jaws in awe. The Living Cube Concept. Hey, have you ever felt like your living room is too cramped for everything you need? Well, have no fear because Remo Zimmerli, a Swiss carpenter with the design genius of Till Conacher, has created the Living Cube, the ultimate furniture solution for small living spaces. It's got a TV stand, bookshelves, and even a walk-in closet, all packed into one stylish cube. And don't forget the cherry on top, a cozy bed on the top floor, perfect for lazy afternoons. It's like having your own personal room in your living room. So say goodbye to clutter and hello to Living Cube, the only cube you'll ever need in your life. A custom closet concept by Studio Hammer High. Want to tidy up your small living room? Build a custom closet that's cooler than a polar bear's toenails? With two oak display compartments with an L shape and LED lighting, you'll have a display case to rival the Louvre. The left bottom has 9 stackable removable bins, perfect for playing Tetris with your stuff. The bottom right has a pull-out drawer for your sewing machines, perfect for those emergency pants hemming sessions. But wait, there's more. The top part stores your tech devices with chargers. It's like having your tech hub without the cord jungle. That's it. Get organized and show off your creation to your friends. But keep an eye on those bins. They might get sticky fingers. As we approach the end of our countdown, we want to remind you that our collection of home improvement ideas doesn't stop here. Simp Homes Content Collections offer a wealth of information on a variety of topics, including gardening, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrades, bedroom updates, and much more. So if you're looking for even more inspiration for your next project, be sure to check out our other collections. And as we wrap up this countdown, let's take a look at our top pick with Number 1. Renew your old furniture with industrial-style black chalk paint. Hey you there, yes you with the old tired sideboard. It's time to give that relic a makeover with an industrial twist. The first rule of thumb is to find a piece that looks like it can withstand a tornado. No frills, no fuss, just rugged and raw. Now let's get to work. Start by tossing those old handles in a bath of warm water and vinegar to remove years of grime. Give them a good brush and a new lease on life with a shiny coat of gold gilding wax. Next, sand that handiwork down until it's smooth and ready for action. Slap on some wood stain to give it that authentic industrial feel. Then, the piece de resistance, matte black chalk paint. It'll be giving your sideboard a leather jacket and a bad attitude. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.